A Tampa dad is still fighting for his daughter after an adoption agency took her away just 2 days after she was born without his knowledge or his consent.
Yeah, for years, court records confirm his desire since day one to raise his daughter. Tonight, I-Team investigator Kylie McGivern looks at the battle unwed fathers can face over parental rights, who determines what's best for a child, and the Florida laws that allow this to happen.
Okay, this is my daughter's room. This been her room since she was a newborn baby.
Ulysses Carwise prepared a room for his daughter, his little girl, who may never come home.
Books I was going to read, spot those.
The bed unused, closet empty.
We end up giving most of the stuff away because she outgrew it.
The baby he loved from the day she was born.
I'm her father, her real father. I'm not trying to adopt I'm her father.
Is now 5 years old.
This one right here, let me see this. This one is the baby pictures.
In the hospital, the baby tested positive for cocaine. Her mother, Nikita Adkins, was using drugs, according to documents from the Florida Department of Children and Families. Carwise wanted the baby to come back home with him, but not Adkins.
So I went back to Nikki. I said, where the baby at? And she said, well, I'll put the baby up for adoption because I was angry at you, she said. And I said, you did what?
Carwise told DCF he wanted his daughter, but the 35-year Hillsborough County School Board employee needed to prove he was the father because he and Adkins weren't married.
When the test came back, they said it was 9.5, 99, something like that. The baby was mine. I said, okay, well, it's over then.
Thinking that's it.
That's it.
It wasn't. The fight for his daughter is still going on.
Just give me my child. I've been saying that the whole time I've been going to court. Give me my child. I don't need y'all help. Give me my child. And they won't listen.
The adoption agency, Bethany Christian Services, and prospective adoptive parents, referred to only as Katrina and William Doe in court records, took Carwise to court in Orange County to terminate his parental rights, arguing that he had abandoned his daughter because he did not financially support her while she was not in his custody. After the trial, it took the court nearly a year to rule. His rights were not terminated, but Carwise's daughter stayed with Katrina and William while they filed an appeal. As months turned into years, his little girl grew more attached to the only family and home she knew.
And now she thinks they are her parents.
The couple that wants to adopt her call her by a different name. He wishes she could call him Dad.
All she knows is I'm Mr. Ulysses and I say her nice stuff. That's it.
Initially, Carwise had in-person visits every week at an Orlando mall.
Okay, this one here is doing Easter.
Those in-person visits stopped at the start of the pandemic. For the past 3 years, he has not touched his daughter, seeing her once a week on a Zoom screen. The adoption agency, Bethany Christian, told us for the confidentiality and privacy of our clients and families, it is not able to speak about this ongoing case.
That's my family. That is my child. They're not saving no child. They are harming a child.
The prospective adoptive parents filed a new lawsuit in Hillsborough County.
It's all over again. And
Another petition to terminate his parental rights.
it's just getting difficult, okay? It's getting real hard.
Carwise overwhelmed with emotion.
That's the first time it hit me hard. Because I've been like fighting these people. And
May it please the court, I'm Jeannie Tate.
Jeannie Tate, a longtime adoption attorney based in Tampa, is representing the prospective adoptive parents. She opened a private adoption agency in 2001, Heart of Adoptions.
This is Kylie McGivern. I'm a reporter with ABC Action News.
We contacted Tate by phone and email, and she responded in a voicemail and email that although she would like to comment, Florida law prevents her from commenting on the matter or confirming her involvement. One of his younger sisters, Rosalind Green, has stood beside her brother as he fights for his daughter.
It's a huge eye-opening that the law would allow these people to literally, legally take someone else's child.
Carwise plans to live in Green's house when he gets custody of his daughter.
He has the support that he needs to take care of this child,
including the support of his 26-year-old daughter, who he raised as a single father.
What gives you all hope to continue moving forward?
I want my niece to know that we didn't give her up and that we're here to fight for her.
I couldn't believe, that he's still fighting. The fact that it's gone on this long and something hasn't been done to give him his child is just, I think, a travesty.
David Velez is Carwise's former court-appointed attorney from the original case in Orange County.
And they were doing everything imaginable to just keep him from getting his child, which they continue parents to do today. They always say, well, he doesn't really have a relationship. Well, you're not giving him the opportunity to build a relationship with the child. And it's not for lack of him trying. Something has to be done because it's been an injustice what's been done to him. Well, everybody should care about it because it could happen to anybody.
Online now, we've included more information about the putative father registry in this story for unmarried birth fathers. That's at abcactionnews.com. In Tampa, with photojournalist Randy Wright, I'm I-Team investigator Kylie McGivern taking action for you.